The fireman wouldn't let us go back into the house that night. The fireman didn't allow them to go into the burnt house because it was still dangerous, dead or alive, while dying or living. The author said that he couldn't imagine to leave the house without knowing about his cat regardless, but in spite of that he had to leave the house. So they piled into meaning is entered into the car with just the clothes which they were wearing and a few of the fireman's blanket, and made their way to his grandparents' house to spend the night. Means to stay for a night. They moved to his grandparents' house with the clothes which they had worn and the blankets which the fireman had given them. The next day was Monday. He had to go to school. When the fire broke out, I was still wearing the dress I had worn to church that morning, and as on it was a Sunday when the fire broke out, and he had went to the church on Sunday, and he was wearing the same dress when the fire broke out. It means on the Monday he was also wearing the same dress which he had worn the previous day, but he had no shoes to wear because he had kicked them off. Because he had kicked them off meaning is he removed his shoes when he was doing his homework. They became yet another casualty of the fire. Casualty meaning is victim. So they were also become the victim of the fire, or they were also burnt into the fire. So I had to borrow some tennis shoes from my aunt. So he had taken some tennis shoes from his aunt. Why couldn't I just stay home from school? And he was thinking that he wanted to stay back, or he didn't want to go to the school. But his mother wouldn't hear of it. But his mother refused to agree with him. Means his mother told him to go to school. But I was totally embarrassed by everything, as he didn't have his school shoes, or he was not wearing his school uniform. So he was feeling very awkward, or he was feeling very upset by everything. The clothes I was wearing looked weird, and these clothes were looking very strange. He had no books, he had no homework notebooks, or he had no his backpack meaning his school bag. Everything was burnt in the fire. I had my life in that backpack, and he loved his backpack a lot, but now his backpack was also not with him. The more I tried to fit in meaning is to accept the situation, the worse it got. But it was getting worse. Was I destined to be an outcast? And then he started thinking that it was his future, or it was his luck, it was his destiny that he has to live alone. Outcast meaning is alone. A geek all my life. Geek meaning is disturbed, and he has to stay his life, or he has to spend his life in a disturbed condition. That's what it felt like, and it was looking for him that it was his life, or it was written in his destiny that he has to live his life alone and disturbed. I didn't want to grow up, and by thinking all these things, he didn't want to grow up. He didn't want to change or have to handle life. He didn't want to live life. If it was because he thought that if his life would remain same, that he would live alone or disturbed, then he didn't want to live his life. He just wanted to curl up and die. I walked around school like a zombie. Zombie meaning is ghost. Like a ghost, he moved towards his school. He walked around his school. Everything felt surreal. Surreal meaning is not real, and everything was looking false. And I wasn't sure what was going to happen, and he didn't know that what would happen with him. All the security I had known from my old school, and what courage he has when he was in the old school, when he was with his old friends, with his in his old house, or with his cat, had all been ripped away. Everything had been snatched from him. Ripped away meaning is snatched from him. When I walked through what used to be my house meaning is his old house, after school that day, and after school when he walked through his old house means when he visited his old house, I was shocked meaning is surprised. He became surprised to see how much damage there was, that what damage the fire had caused. Whatever hadn't burnt was destroyed by the water, because which thing was not burnt in the fire, it was destroyed by the water and the chemicals which were used to extinguish the fire. Put out the fire meaning is extinguish the fire. The only material thing not destroyed were the photo albums, and just the things which were not destroyed in the fire were the albums, documents, or some other personal items that my mother had managed to heroically rescue, which his mother had taken out from the, or rescue meaning is saved, which his mother had saved like a hero when the fire broke out. But my cat was gone, but his cat was not with him, and my heart ached for her, and his heart was paining by thinking about his cat. There was no time to grieve, but it was not a time to be sad. Grieve meaning is to become sad. My mother rushed me out. His mother took him out of the house because they had to find a place where they can live, and he had I would have to go buy some clothes for the school, and he had to go to get some dresses for the school, or he had to get some clothes which he could wear. We had to borrow money from my grandparents, and they had to take some money from his grandparents because there were no credit cards, cash, or even any identification to be able to withdraw money, because they didn't have money, they didn't have credit cards, or they didn't have any identification card with which they can withdraw meaning is take out money from the bank. Everything had gone up in the smoke, and everything had been burnt in the smoke. That week, the rubble meaning is the waste material after the burning of the house that used to be our house was being cleared off meaning is cleaned. A lot of rubble has been cleaned, even though we had rented an apartment then for living for some time until the new house was we can say that till the house was rebuilt. They had taken a small house for rent to live in. Nearby, I would go over to watch them clear away debris, and he was regularly going to his old house to see that how the debris meaning is remains of the house was being cleared away, hoping that my cat was somewhere to be found, in the hope that in that debris, in that remain, he would find his cat. But she was gone. I kept thinking about her as a vulnerable little kitten. Vulnerable meaning is helpless, because no one was there to help her, and he was thinking about that little kitten. In the early morning, he was thinking that in the past means when the kitten was with him. In the early morning, when I would disturb her, when he would disturb the kitten and get out of bed, he would wake from the bed. She would tag along after me. She would always follow him, climb up my robe. She would climb his robe which he was wearing, the piece of cloth which he was wearing, and crawl into my pocket and enter into his robe pocket to fall asleep, to get sleep. I was missing her terribly, and he was missing her cat badly. Terribly meaning is badly.